our indicators down there are crashing, right? That's bearish. The volume's almost non-existent in this fucking thing. So I don't know what this is. If this is what you're in, be very careful and cautious. But you're saying it's in your IRA, so it's a long-term play. So you're not day trading this. You're just looking to add into the position. But if you're buying it at the top, there will be better times to buy this. If you're buying up there, you know what I mean? Or if you're just now initially buying this, because this looks like this thing just came out, something the government's getting in IRAs, some assholes trying to take advantage of the IRA. But if you just bought this, if you look down there, the crashing volume, right? The momentum's dying in all these coins and in this. You can see a beautiful W bottoming reversal pattern down here. See that? This is some other shit you guys try to say is a head and shoulders, and I don't know where you're getting this info from, but this is a W bottoming reversal pattern, and then you see that is beautiful. Now, if you did something like that, you would have a double top or an M bottoming, topping reversal pattern. This is a W or a double bottom reversal pattern, right? So I don't know where all these head and shoulders, you guys always ask me about these head and shoulders that just aren't there. Head and shoulders are long, typically 3-month long patterns, a reversal, long major reversal patterns in a stock or a commodity or a crypto, not daily and minute time frames. Those are just bullshit moves. A real head and shoulders is a pattern, is a true pattern reversal, and they take usually 3 to 5 months to build out a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern or an inverse head and shoulders bottoming reversal pattern. But what I think is going on in this fucking coin is you're running out of steam. This thing came out when all the hype was going, and it tried to take advantage of some of that. But I don't like the looks of this. I think you're coming way the fuck down. I mean, you guys don't like to hear me say this shit's coming down, but here's your get your shit together box. And I think you're coming down there really fast in this coin. This thing looks like it's about to fall off the map. There's no volume. The buzz in crypto is gone as far as the momentum plays. They're gone. I think you're coming down to $2.28 very fast because you have this you have this rising channel right now, and it looks like it's just broken out of it because this would be your lower support. And then as we clone that, that would have been your upper resistance right there in this last push. See that? And once you break that, the targeted move is the bottom of the wedge. So I think you're coming down here really quick if you're trying to time a play in here. I think you're coming to the bottom of this wedge, $3.22 really fast with our industry exclusive measuring tool. That's an 18% fall. Then you might have a bounce off that. But then I think you're coming down here really fast, right? I think you're going to have a 40% collapse getting into this box. And then I think you got to be very worried about this coin that seems to have came out and tried to take advantage of the hype, right? You could be coming way down here into the shithouse, right? The shithouse is way down here. And you guys don't want any part of this if you're not in this fucking coin. But as we clone this, industry exclusive cloning tool, 92 cents is the start of the shithouse. And with this volume, that you need a fucking super monocle to find. This thing's coming down. Like there's just no two ways about it. This coin is not doing this the next 12 months. This coin is doing this the next 12 months. So if you want to buy this, I wouldn't be buying this right now in my IRA. I would wait for it to come down here as my first location to test, and then down here as my second as I proportionally buy in. I'm not buying this, but if you guys want to proportionally buy in, but I would be waiting for the shithouse to buy this coin in my IRA because this fucker is coming down there. I would not be buying up there because this is going to roll over and you're going to be down huge because you're FOMOing into some hype. Or if you haven't bought, and you're looking to buy, wait for this to at least test down here. Save yourself fucking 25% because it's coming down here in the next week, Mr. Landry. And that coin, and if that is the right coin, just like this spark bullshit that I had to look at, I told you this fucking thing was coming down. Took a lot of heat from you guys because I kept telling you this fucking thing was coming down. Look at that. Fucking thing collapsed. Way the fuck down, right? Way down. Fucking collapsed. Just like Vincenzo told you. And then we gave you our industry exclusive wavy line pattern. Fuck the shit out of there. And we told you where this was going to go right here. Down here, we said in our industry exclusive wavy line pattern, this is where you're going to go, and then you're probably going to break down out of that and spark, because that's a pile of shit. I did XDC. We did Quanta. That's about gonna wrap it up. There's not really anything going on in the coin market. Let's end out with the gold. The gold bullion market has opened up. It's above 1,800, but barely. We had a big fall on Friday. Big fall. But we're starting to get supported by the moving averages. And we'll see if we can't continue to build up, or if we get rejected and we have a major crash in the gold and silver bullion market. I know that Angry Shark is not going to be happy, but yes, Vincenzo's taken a beating in gold and silver stocks, mining stocks recently, but he's not a seller in the mining stocks yet, not anywhere near seller, so he just buys more when they go down. Everybody else is panicking on here, asking questions, but when the shit goes down, Vincenzo accumulates more, and away we go. But that's why I told you, the gold and silver bullion market is a very patient, man, and frustrating game to be in. And if you don't have a plan going in and know what you want out of the gold and silver bullion market, you'll get fleece heisted and shisted in this market, and you will sell all the bottoms and you will buy all the tops, right? So this is a thinking man's market and a patience man market, or a woman's market, right? If you're a woman, I'm just saying thinking man because it's just a general term, right? And I don't have any women in my audience, so it really doesn't matter. But you got to be patient in the gold and silver bullion market. Oh, fuck, my foot's asleep. Oh, my foot. Holy shit. Oh, yeah, there we go. Now it's waking up. As my program director, Tiny, is showing, we'll show you him right now. See him? Look at him. Look at that fucking thing. Come here. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on. Come on. Come here, program director. Here's the other one that he doesn't like. That's my mom's cat that she refuses to take back to her house. But apparently she's going to do that soon because I don't really like cats. And he's just a nuisance, right? He likes to be pet, or she likes to be pet. But she needs to go back home to my mother's house because it is her cat. But there's your program director, Mr. Tiny. Yup, see him? He's very patient in the gold and silver bullion market. And he supports my decision to buy that and talk about it on this channel. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace.